Hi, my name is Alec and we're here at the Lewis Leathers London shop, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean and condition one of our jackets. So today we've got a lovely vintage Lightning in navy horsehide that needs a bit of work. When thinking about when you need to condition your jacket or when you need to clean your jacket, it's kind of up to you. I personally recommend that you do this about every 6 months to a year, particularly if you've got a sort of older jacket that you're trying to keep going. It's really important to clean and condition your leather because over time it will want to sort of dry out or get brittle, and it's really important to as much as you can keep dust off of your jacket and dirt and grime, because over time that can become corrosive. So yeah, I'm just going to walk you through this. Today we're going to be using our cleaner and conditioner that comes in this kit here. So here we've got the gentle leather cleaner. So it's really important to first brush off your jacket to get any sort of dirt or dust that might be on it. We recommend using a nice stiff bristle brush like I have here. And what you're going to want to do is just brush along the jacket, making sure to get in all of those areas that you might miss, so particularly under the collar, under the lapels, and in all the sort of areas that you're going to be having the most wear. You're also going to want to get into the inside of the jacket where dirt and grime might have collected over time, and make sure to get sort of under the armpit and just all those areas that might have gotten dirty. Make sure to hit the back of the jacket. Okay, so once you've brushed down your jacket, it's already looking a little better. You're going to want to take a nice, soft, thick cloth and apply a little bit of our leather cleaner on there. With this product, less is more. You don't want to dredge the jacket, you don't want to put too much on there. If you're using this on sheep leather or another sort of lighter colored type of leather, we always recommend just trying a little sample somewhere on the jacket that isn't going to be seen, just to make sure you're not going to get any discoloration. So for horsehide here, it's going to be all good to go. So we're going to get our cleaner. We're just going to apply a little bit on our nice sort of soft cloth. And again, like with the dusting, what you're looking for is to get in all of those spots of the jacket that might be overlooked, right? So we're just going to start by just rubbing it into the jacket and just trying to get a nice even coat. And you're going to start to see that already the leather is looking a lot happier, right? And so once we've rubbed that in, making sure to get around the zipper, we're just going to add a little bit more. And we're going to keep doing that throughout the whole jacket until it's nice and clean. Making sure also to sort of really get under the armpits, all those areas that, again, might be overlooked. You're going to want to get underneath the cinches as well. Any of those spots that might gather dust and grime over the years, particularly under the buckles as well. This being a vintage jacket, the buckles have accumulated quite a lot of dirt and grime. Right, and we're just going to repeat that process throughout the jacket. Right, so we have fully cleaned this jacket. What we're going to want to do now is to hang it up and leave it out to dry. Ideally, you would let this dry overnight. The sort of minimum that you want to do is about 2 hours, and then it's going to be ready for conditioning, and we'll take you through those next steps in a moment. Right, so we're back in our London shop. We've left our jacket overnight for the cleaner to set in. You can just leave it for 2 hours if you'd like, but we do recommend that you leave it overnight to just really make sure that it's all properly dried out. As you can see, the jacket is looking a lot happier. It's much more supple. The color is much more vivid, and it's really taken well to the cleaner. So what we're going to do now is to apply our leather conditioner and waterproofer. This is going to significantly improve the leather on your jacket. It's going to make it much more supple, and it's also going to give it a lovely waterproof film. With the leather conditioner, again, we do recommend that you apply this about every 6 months to a year, just to make sure that you keep your jacket happy. So I'm going to walk you through this really quick. It's going to be quite similar to when we applied our cleaner to the jacket. So with our conditioner, again, less is more. You don't need to apply a lot. You don't want to dredge the jacket. If you apply too much conditioner, you can also leave it feeling a little bit greasy. So we're just going to do just a little bit. And like with the cleaner, we're going to just apply a bit onto a nice, clean, soft cotton towel or rag. And as you can see, we're just using a little bit on there. And we're just going to gently massage it into the leather. If your jacket is quite old or quite neglected, I do recommend as well doing a couple of coats of this. So you're going to want to leave it to set for 24 hours to let the conditioner really soak into the jacket. And if you so choose, you can apply multiple coats. And that's really going to improve the leather on your jacket. Again, we want to really make sure to hit all those areas that we might miss. So every single sort of nook and cranny, making sure to get under the collar, around the pockets, and in all of those seams where your zippers are as well. Again, as well, really make sure that you're getting that under the side cinches in your jacket as well. And just make sure everything has a nice even coat of conditioner. It's really important to get it all around the inside of the collar, because that's where you're going to have direct contact with your skin on the jacket, and those areas get quite worn in. We're going to want to make sure to get that inside the flap in your front zip. Make sure to get it under the zip as well. Right, so now we're ready to hit the back. And really make sure that you're getting the shoulders, the back of the shoulders, because this is an area that is going to be really exposed to the elements and sort of one of the first points of contact with any rain or anything like that. So make sure that you're really giving that a bit of care and attention. And again, we want to make sure to hit the underside of the collar here. And as well, I do recommend just getting a little bit of conditioner and just hitting the inside edge here, the bottom of your jacket. Right, so we've fully cleaned and conditioned our jacket. It's looking much better. It feels much more supple. And what you're going to want to do now is to leave it for 24 hours on a nice hanger for the conditioner to soak in and settle in the leather. And after which case, if you want to, you can apply another coat of conditioner, or you can wear and enjoy your jacket and feeling a bit better and a bit more fresh. Our leather conditioner and cleaning kit is available online or in store. So pop down to our London shop if you're about, or you're more than welcome to order it from our store. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us. We're always happy to help. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you all soon.